Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Google Sheet you want to export. Make sure you have edit or view access that permits downloading. Once open, verify which sheets you need, either the whole workbook or specific tabs, and consider making a copy to avoid accidental changes. Next, navigate to File Download to view export options. Make this choice now, because the selected format here determines how Excel will interpret formulas, dates, and layouts once imported. If you need CSVs, pick individual sheets. If not, choose Excel Workbook. Once done selecting, choose Microsoft Excel, XLSX, to preserve multiple sheets, formatting, and most formulas. This is the most reliable option for Excel. Make sure to check the sheet locale and date formats. Mismatched locales can flip day and month. Change file spreadsheet settings if needed. If you only require raw data or one sheet, export that sheet as CSV to avoid formula issues. While exporting, note that some Google-specific functions will convert to values. Plan to rework complex formulas in Excel afterward. You now open the downloaded XLSX in Excel and scan key sheets for formatting, formulas, and data integrity. Make sure dates, commas, and decimals look correct. If formulas converted to values or Google-only functions failed, replace them with Excel equivalents or reconstruct logic where needed. Once done, save a backup copy in Excel format. If something goes wrong, check the locale and delimiter settings, re-download as CSV for single-sheet fixes, or re-export from a copy. These steps usually resolve most import issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.